After finishing this part for the clauses, I'm going to move to the sentences with the simple sentences, compound, complex, or even compound complex sentences. A new turn from the beginning. Abdurrahman Sameh, then Karam. Abdurrahman, read the question for me, please.
Yes. Write whether each of the following sentences is simple or compound. Naomi's mother was out of town, so she took care of everyone at home. So there's two independent clause. So here, so it from the conjunction, so it will be compound because
Perfect
it's more
answer.
than one
Thank
sentence.
you. Thank you. Thank you. A perfect answer. As I told you before, my dear boys, once you find a comma with a coordinating conjunction, or you're going to replace this comma with the coordinating conjunction with a semicolon. In this part, or in this case, you have a compound sentence, and the two parts for this sentence will be independent clauses. Once you don't have either a comma with a coordinating conjunction or even a semicolon, in this way, it will be a simple sentence. Ya Abdurrahman, answer number 2 for me, and ya Karam, you're going to answer 3, 4, and 5. Ya Abdurrahman, number 2, because I'm running
Yeah,
out of time, by the way.
I eat apples at home. So here it is simple sentence.
Why?
Because here there is no comma or coordinate conjunction or even another sentence connected with a comma or coordinate conjunction.
Perfect, perfect. We have only here one, as you can see, one independent clause without any coordinating conjunction with comma before them or even semicolon. Good. Karam, ready?
Yes, hello, Mr.
Start with number 3, ya Karam. Hello, Karam. Number 3.
Okay, my brother loves cold beverages, but my sister loves hot drinks.
Good. It will be what?
Compound.
Compound sentence. As you can see here, ya Karam, you have a comma with a coordinating conjunction. In this case,
Yes, it is
we
but.
will have two independent clauses. Number 4, ya Karam.
The fans waited outside for a glimpse of the singer. It's simple.
Simple here. In this sentence, we don't have either a comma with a coordinating conjunction or even a semicolon. Perfect. 5, ya Karam.
The noise from the ducks in the pond was soothing. Simple.
Simple. For the same reason, right?
Yes.
Thank
Mr.
you.
What
Yes.
is the meaning of soothing?
Really? You must be kidding me. You're in grade 6, man. You don't know the meaning for it?
Yes.
Go and find a dictionary. Look it up there. Go for
Mister,
me.
why did you stop sharing screen?
Soothing.
By the way, the screen is shared with everyone, right, my dear boys?
What do you mean?
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Yeah. It's already there. Yeah,
Yes.
check it again, please. Now I'm gonna
Okay.
move to another one. Okay, this time I'm gonna talk about the complex sentences and the compound complex sentences. The time right now is gonna be for whom? Wait a minute. The turn is gonna be for Ziad. You've just arrived. After what? After 2 hours. Yusuf Abu Rad. Start, ya Yusuf.
Yes. Underline subordinate clause once, then identify the sentence by writing CX for complex sentence or CDCX for compound complex sentence.
Good. In this question, my
going
dear
to-
boys, wait a minute, ya Yusuf. Wait a minute, please. Here in this question, my dear boys, you have to pay attention to the conjunction that you have in the sentence. If you have only a subordinating conjunction or a relative pronoun, in this way, you're going to have a complex sentence. But if you have a subordinating conjunction or even a relative pronoun, and you have in the same sentence either semicolon or a comma with a coordinating conjunction, in this way, you have a compound complex sentence. Okay, the first one, yeah, Yusuf, and the second one too.
I'm going to the exception even if you are not coming.
Here,
Even
what
if you
conjunctions do you have here? If. Only this, right?
Yeah.
Good. So from F, by the way, I have to underline. Don't
If you're
forget
not
that.
coming.
Wait a minute, Yusuf. Don't forget that in this question, you have to underline for me first the subordinate clause. Clear? Don't forget,
Yes.
please, my dear boys. Yeah. Tell me right now, yeah, Yusuf, what kind of sentences is this one?
It's a complex.
Yeah, it's a complex sentence. It will be CX. Okay. Number 2, please, Yusuf.
When I arrived here, she was enjoying, and then she returned home.
Good.
When I arrived here, is the subordinate clause.
Here I have
And
when. Good. When here is a subordinating conjunction. Good. So from when to the comma, this part, it has to be underlined because here this is the subordinate part, the subordinate clause. Okay.
Uh,
What else do you have? Do you have any other conjunctions here? Subordinating conjunction again. Do you have here a relative pronoun? Do you have here a comma and a coordinating conjunction? Do you have here
yes,
a
we have
semicolon?
comma and
Yeah, comma and. It means that here I have what this time?
complex sentence.
Yeah, compound complex sentence. CDCX. Thank you. Thanks, Yusuf. Moving to another one. Yes, this time it will be Joseph Ahmed, then Ali Ahmed. Okay, yalla Joseph.
Yes.
Number 3, Joseph.
The concert was over, but the fans waited outside because they wanted a glimpse of the singer.
Find the conjunction first.
The conjunction is but.
Aha, comma, but. Good.
Yes.
In this way, I have the compound part here. You have a compound sentence. Do you have here a subordinating conjunction or a relative pronoun?
No. Yes.
How
Yes.
come, man? You have because.
Yes, because yes.
And don't forget that one because here to the end, you have to underline.
Underline.
So in this case here, Joseph, do you have here a
Compound
compound
complex.
sentence or a compound complex?
Compound.
Yeah, compound complex sentence. Okay, read number 4 also.
I'll speak the truth whenever I want. Whenever, and it's a complex.
You forget something, pay attention. What you can underline?
Yes, and you're going to underline the I want.
Whenever you want, all of it. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Very important. Before I forget, here you have to underline first. Find the subordinating conjunction or the relative pronoun. Circle it like me. Mister, do we have to circle it? You don't
Yes.
have to circle it, by the way, but it will guide you to the answer. So it's much better to answer it in this way. Then underline here the subordinate part as I asked you to do. I don't know what happened to the mouse. Wait a minute, please. Like this. I get it. That's it. So here you have to underline this part, the subordinate part, and then find if you have a coordinating conjunction with a comma before it or even semicolon. I move right now to the last question. This one is very important to you. Ali?
Mister, wait, Mister, it's supposed to be me.
Ali?
Yeah.
Mister,
Ali,
maybe in me saying the truth, it's supposed to be me.
I'm gonna be next.
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay.
Still have time. Yalla Ali, read for me the question first, then we're gonna move to one by one according to these sentences.
Combine number 8. Combine
Mute
each
your
of the
cam.
following. Huh?
Mute your camera. Turn it off.
Oh, sorry.
Hmm.
It was my sister's. Combine each of the following word groups into the type of the sentence indicated in the in parentheses. Be sure to use correct capitalization and punctuation.
Good. Wait a minute for me as yet. Read for me the first one. Yeah, Ali.
It was my sister's birthday yesterday. She did not want to celebrate. A complex sentence.
Here,
Although,
good. You have to use a subordinating conjunction. Good. Tell me how you're gonna answer.
although it was my sister's birthday, comma, she did not want to celebrate.
And at the end of the sentence, you have to put the end mark, which is gonna be a period, right?
Periods. Yeah.
Thank you so much, here, Ali. So here, my dear boys, you have to pay attention to that. Once I'm going to ask you to make for me or to form for me a complex sentence, you can either use a subordinating conjunction or a relative pronoun. The easiest one for you will be the subordinating conjunction, but you have to get the perfect subordinating conjunction according to the meaning of the sentence, has to be suitable for the sentence. So, although it was my sister's birthday, mine.
Yes.
Read for me number 2 and try to answer it for me. Wait a minute.
They know how to
Wait a minute, please.
drive a car. They enjoy riding bikes. Although they know how to drive a bike and drive a car, they enjoy riding bikes.
Here, ya Mohab, he asks you to make a compound sentence. A compound sentence, ya Mohab, it means you have to use one of the fanboys. Okay? Coordinating conjunction. And before it, a comma. The conjunction that you use, by the way, is a subordinating conjunction. You made in this way a complex sentence. I don't need here a complex sentence. I need a compound sentence. Can you tell me the sentence again, please?
They know how to drive a car. They enjoy riding bikes.
Okay. What was your answer before? Although, right?
Yes. Although they know how to drive a car,
Here, ya Marwan. Here, ya Mohab. I will not use although, because although is a subordinating conjunction. What's
even
equal?
though.
No. Even though is also a subordinating conjunction. It means here we need a conjunction that makes contrast. It will be but. Okay? Because but here is one of the fanboys. Camera, okay, Mohab?
Yeah.
So I'm going to say they know how to drive a car. Comma, but, right? They enjoy riding bikes. Ziad. Thanks, Mohab. Ziad, can you hear me? Don't forget to put the end mark, my dear boys, at the end. Okay, I'm gonna move to another one this time.
Okay.
Who is that one?
Yes, mister.
Ziad, number 3, please. Welcome back.
After we reached home, we watched a movie. After we reached home, we watched a movie.
Here, by the way, you already have the conjunction, which is gonna be after, right? But here, it's not
Yes.
written in a capital letter. I'm gonna capitalize it. Then
Yes.
I have to put a comma after home. This is very important. After we reached home here, wait a minute. We watched
a movie.
and don't forget the end mark.
Okay.
Thank you. Moving to
You're welcome.
يلا خالد سعد.
Yes,
The last one, please.
she was not keeping well. She took a day off work.
He asks you here to form a compound sentence, which means that you're gonna use one of the coordinating conjunctions, okay? And before it a comma.
She was not keeping well, so she took a day off.
Perfect. Perfect, comma. So she took a day off. Perfect. This is so good, by the way. This way, as you can see, I finished everything in this grammar revision sheet, and I hope that everything becomes so clear, simple, and easy to you.